Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Food Passion with Kulsum. Today I'm going to share a very delicious, yummy, spicy and tangy Ragda recipe. This is a Chana Chaat, but usually in Mumbai we call it Ragda. And I'm going to make this with black grams and white peas. It's an amazing combination. So let's check out what ingredients we'll be needing to make this yummy Ragda. 1 cup of white peas, around 200 grams, and 250 grams of black grams. I've soaked them last night in water with a pinch of baking soda, and I've washed it nicely and drained the water. 5 to 6 tomatoes roughly chopped, 1 teaspoonful of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, and quarter teaspoon of asafoetida, that's hing. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin seed powder, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Some tamarind, 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, and some salt to taste. 1 onion finely chopped, and some fresh coriander chopped for garnishing. So first what we'll do is, into a pressure cooker I'm going to add water and I'm going to add the chana and the peas. Okay, this is done. As you can see, it's nicely covered. Okay, so now I'm going to pressure cook this. Because I've added baking soda, it won't take time to cook, so I'm going to take 2 whistles and then we'll check whether the peas are done or not. So I have here tamarind. If you get tamarind pulp paste, you can use that. And here I'm adding some water. I'm going to soak this for around 10 to 15 minutes. So let's prepare the masala for the chana. First I'm adding oil. This is around 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. So into the oil we'll add first mustard seeds. Alright. So let them crackle a bit. Alright, as you can hear the sound of spluttering. So now I'm going to add cumin seeds, and the asafoetida. Immediately after this we'll add the tomato. Give it a mix. Into this we'll add salt. So let this melt. So I'm going to cover this and let the tomatoes become soft. This will take somewhere around 5 to 6 minutes. I'm going to keep this on high flame. It's been 6 to 7 minutes. We'll check on our tomatoes. It's nice and soft. Put the flame on low. And here I have the tamarind pulp which I had soaked. I had soaked the tamarind. I squeezed out the tamarind juice from it. So you can add this according to your taste. This gives a nice sour taste to the chaat. And now we'll add all our spices. So give it a nice mix. And cover this and cook it for 2 minutes more. So let's check this out. So this is all done. Now let's check out our chickpeas. Alright, so I've been cooking the peas and the black grams for a while now. I've taken 2 whistles and as you can see it's all done. I'll show you this. See this? It's done. So just mash it a bit. Okay. So now what we'll do is we'll mix our masala into this and mix it very nicely. So let this cook on high flame for a while, or maybe 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of cooking, you'll see that it has become nice and thick and our ragda is all done. If you're not adding white peas, you can add potatoes, but I'm not adding potatoes. I usually make it like this. Add a little bit of coriander leaves and let's dish it out. So our ragda is all done and I'm going to garnish this with some onion, finely chopped onion. I'm going to add a little bit of tamarind juice on top of it. And of course, coriander leaves. And our ragda is all done. So I'm going to taste it. It is so delicious. It's perfectly sour, spicy, and so delicious. Now if you want, you can give your personal touch, like you can add a little bit of yogurt on top, or you can add some chaat masala, but this is just perfect. Go ahead and spoon it out and enjoy. I hope you like the recipe. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and do subscribe to my channel. Do take care of yourself. Until my next recipe. Allah Hafiz. Bye.